Hi guys, I've got a package. Look at the box, it's huge. Right, can you see? See? What is that? It's a big shot. Let's open it. It's the new one. It's the gold, gold, whatever. One with the gold. See? I'm gonna have to put this on the floor. Hang on. Oh, that hurt my hands. Let's turn it around this way. It's the new gold and what do they call it? Oh no, doesn't even say. I don't know, but let's take it out of the box. Take it out of the box. You can open it from both sides, maybe so I can push it out. I'm not really on camera very well. I'll just push it out this side. It comes, or not. There it is. What is it? Let me see. It's a Sizzix limited edition big shot machine, rose gold and light grey. That's what it is. A lot of packaging for this thing. Alright, so this is it. It's basically a big shot, isn't it? You got the handle, you got the Allen key, you got the screw, and a little button thing. It looks like that. It has like the flecks on it of the rose gold with the rose gold handle on both sides. That's basically a big shot. I had previously a Stampin' Up one, and it folded shut. It was like you fold it shut and it's like a little thing, but I wasn't keen on it. I couldn't get the, like, you have to buy the plates from Stampin' Up and all, and I figured it's easier just to buy the Sizzix stuff that's everywhere. So that's what I did. I got rid of that and I bought this one, and I'm happy with this already because it's got the standard platform, not the big huge thing, which I don't need, so that's good. So yeah, I thought I'd just open that up with you. I'll be using that hopefully in some videos. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.